So hey guys, we are back with another video. I'm sorry I look like a mess, but I am. So what we're gonna be doing today is a video I never did before. Yeah, BT Dub. Thanks on that video that you almost got it to 1,000 views. For some people that may not be a lot, but to me that is a lot. And I'm so happy, so thank you so much for that. It means a lot to me. But today, as you read as the title, I'm going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge. So this is going to be used for my blindfold. It's just a big blanket, but I'm going to go somehow, some way do this. By the way, I don't know, I'm good at making slime, I guess you could say. For me, I don't know what kind they should have made thing with me doing one. I'm not making foam because that's gonna get a mess. I'll just make a regular blue slime. Okay, this is blue. It's almost used, but whatever. I'll try to make it jiggly. Yeah, I'll make it jiggly, aka glossy, whatever you want to say. So first, I'm gonna take my glue. Oh, camera fell. I got a gallon of glue. Elmer's glue. So this is my slime table. This is where I sell and make all my slimes. So, you know, it's very messy. So I have to take all of my slimes off, put it on my bed. No, I'll just stack them. They're so freaking high. I feel like it's gonna fall. It's really high. You're no joke being held by glue. So if the camera falls, I will not know. So I'm gonna try to get something sturdier to hold it up so I know that it was protected. So first, I'm gonna be getting my bowls, getting set up, then I will be starting the video. So be right back. So hey, guys, I can't see anything whatsoever. I don't even know if I'm looking at the camera or not. I feel like I am, but I don't really know. So let's just start with the challenge. This glue. This is the glue. I knew because I felt it. I felt something heavy over there. Okay. Oh, I feel like glue just got on me. Okay, so this is Elmer's glue. This is the plate. Feel the plate and Elmer's glue. I think Elmer's glue is going to be serious. Okay, I feel like that was a lot. I feel like that was a lot of glue. So I'm going to close it for now. Are you kidding me? Close. And put it to the side. So now that I already used it. Okay, so now for the activator. I definitely know that there's glue in there. Wait, I didn't pour any glue in here. I'm trying to feel if there was glue in here. I never poured any glue in here. I don't know if I'm pouring any glue or if I'm not pouring any glue. So in making sure at least I poured a little bit. I felt that fall down. But, you know. Oh my freaking gosh. Please say that's in the bowl. Please. Scared. Oh, I put my hand in it. So I know that I did pour some glue in here this time. What the heck? Where's the cap? Oh, this is so messy for me. Okay, so here's the activator. spoon, fork, whatever you want to call it. Oh, how much activator am I putting in? Oh no. Okay, I'm guessing that was a lot. Nice. Okay. Where's the coloring? Where's the food coloring? Food coloring. And we'll just be mixing in. Out of it. This is hard because I don't know if anything came out. Please say something came out. Please, just something. If yeah, that's something. That there. Please say something came out. So I don't know if you could see, but this is what my slime looks like. I don't know if you could see. I feel like I'm doing horrible. I probably am. Okay, I know something poured in there because I feel it on my finger. I'm just making sure stuff got poured in. Is it fully mixed? What the heck? What happened? Okay, I'm taking on my blindfold. Oh, I overactivated it a lot. Oops. Okay. Wow. That was an epic fail. I didn't even know if I was I didn't know anything. Oh my freaking gosh. This is a slime fail. No joke. It's not slime. Oh, I didn't even add my water in. Well, I was gonna actually add my water in later, but whatever. This is horrible slime, I swear. So that is what the final result is. Beautiful, right? Just beautiful. So just saying, it is really hard. So anyone that actually does good in this, I support you 1,000,000%, because you can't see anything. So you can't see if the slime's getting in the container. You can't see how much activator you're using. I used a lot of activator, but I felt like I didn't use it. And now I'm triggered because I should have just kept it. Now it's all horrible. So yeah, that's a life lesson. Don't do slime challenges blindfolded. It's pretty good at it. Wow, so satisfying, right? No. So that was a total horrible thing that happened. The slime was a fail. A big fat fail. Oh yeah, I didn't use borax, just saying. I use detergent. I didn't use Tide or anything. I know detergent does have a little bit of borax in it, but not as bad as if you used real borax. That's fully 100% borax. These are my hands, and they're not nice. They're really disgusting. Now I'm actually going to make real good slime, show you that, how to really make some nice, jiggly, good slime. So let me just get all settled, get myself cleaned a little. I knew I dropped glue on me. I knew it. I swear I knew it. So yeah,
BRB.
So, hey, I'm back. Not blindfolded. Showing you how to make slime. Or good slime. So that's me. I'm not going to pour that much glue. Oh yeah, and just saying, I got this at like Walmart. And it was only like $10. And I know you're like, well, that's still a lot of money. Not compared to Michael's. Sorry that the camera is so shaky. I don't like this tripod. That is really not that good. So yeah, then what I'm gonna do is, I don't know why people mix glue. It annoys the heck out of me, so I'm gonna mix glue. For some people, they add in the activator, then they add the food coloring, paint, whatever you like to call it. I first want to add the food coloring, paint, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna say color. So I'm adding in my color. Next up, I may put some of this in time lapse. Like I may have already put that in time lapse. I don't really know. So now I'm gonna add my water. Okay.
You want to mix your water in together, just because you don't want maple water in your slime,
You know what I'm worried about? Slime peeps. Oh, peeps. Oh, I feel so bad for me. I said peeps. No. Now you just add your activator. And what your activator is whatever you use to make it turn into slime. Sorry, it's so shaky, guys. It may not be as glossy as some people say, but I feel like it's pretty glossy for me, but whatever. So this is how you do it, then you just knead it. I'm trying to get in the camera view. So, yes, so be back when it's already like all mixed, you know? This is some ASMR from the slime that I just made. It is a little sticky, but so that is all for the video today. But for some reason not for some reason, but I rewatched the clip, and for some reason, the slime looks purple on camera. I don't know why, but it's like a teal blue color. So actually, it on camera, when I was editing it, it looked purple, but then when I rewatched the clip, it wasn't. So, sorry for that. So, yeah, keep on enjoying the video. Slime. Guys, poking it like this. And my finger got stuck, and it was like this. Back to my thing fell. Sorry, but that's all for today's videos. Video. Hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, comment down below for me for doing this, making my room a mess just for this video. So yes, see you later. Bye.